How to make sweets in your house without having an oven. Hello, my name is Sanshiro. Many of us are enjoying staying at home, but for some sweet tooth like me, we may suffer from having no cakes or sweets to eat. The good news is that you can make your own cake and your sweets easily from your kitchen. I would like to give you 3 ways to make your cake without an oven. First, using pan. You can make pancakes from following your pancake mix recipe, but if you don't want to look after the pancake one by one, I recommend the next way, which is using rice cooker. You can use exactly the same pancake recipe, just then put the mixture in the rice cooker and cook. Your cake will be moist and delicious as well. And finally, if you are a fan of cheesecake and mousse, you must like this way. Using refrigerator. It's super easy to make mousse and cheesecake because all of this you just have to mix and cool down. That's all for today. If you want to make your own sweets, make use of your pan, rice cooker, and refrigerator. I hope you enjoy staying at home and stay safe. See you later.